fix your Razor dirt bike. Fast and cheap. Has your charger port broke off or stopped working? Replacing it yourself is easy. Locate the screws around the plastic motor cover. A 4mm Allen wrench will fit them all. Remove the cover. Locate and remove the connector from the harness. New charger ports are available on Amazon for only $9.99. If your new charger port comes with a wiring connector on the end, you can skip this next step. If it did not, you will have to splice the old connector to the new port's wiring. There are several choices in wire splicing. Use what you have available. Feed your new charger port wiring through the plastic motor cover and install the nut. Hook the wiring back to the harness and reinstall the covers. You're ready to charge and hit the dirt. If you have not upgraded to one of these charge and ride chargers, you should. They are fantastic and charge your bike so much faster. If you enjoyed, please like. If you want to see more, please subscribe.